Before we start, make sure to turn on apps from unknown sources. If you want to know how to do it, I have a separate video for that, but I assume most of you guys already knew how to do it, or it is already turned on. Otherwise, check that video that is flashing on the screen or the one in the video description and pinned comment. So the next step, go to Find, then search, type in Downloader, download this app. Open app, choose Allow if it asks you. Then above, click to enter URL and type this in. So it's very easy. Press Z 7 times, then .app. So it's Zap with long Z. Hit next. If you wish to download Zap on your device, yes you can using the banners at the home screen. Now we need to search and add a library since this app is empty. Go to search and let's try XP. And now it loaded a new library. So we can now move to the right and select the app. This requires a sign up. So if you wish to sign up or renew, click here and QR scan on your mobile device. It is always recommended to turn on your VPN before sideloading and streaming. We have added our recommended VPN services like NordVPN or IPVanish. So same thing with sign up, click any of your preferred service and scan and sign up on your phone if you don't have VPN yet. Now hit home and go to Find again. Then search, and let's say we will be going to use NordVPN. So search Nord and download this app. Open app. Hit OK to accept. Login and choose your preferred login method. And once you've done that, just turn on your VPN and you are good to go. Let's go back home. Now reopen Downloader. Hit OK to close and let's choose Download Mirror. Then choose Install. And open. Type in your provider ID. This was given when you sign up. Log in. Then your account information. Sign in. And hit OK to agree. Type your profile and a name will do. And continue. And you are now up and running.